Very good morning. So we will discuss another session, that is the biotechnology and principle and process. I think it's clearly visible on the screen. Okay, thank you. So we'll start with the first question. There's a plasmid has been used for vector because option A, both its ends show replication. Option B, it can be moved between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Option C, it is a circular DNA which have capacity to join the eukaryotic DNA. And option D, it has an antibiotic resistant gene. So your plasmid, it acts as a DNA vehicle or a vector because it is a circular in DNA, and meanwhile which have the capacity to join another, that is eukaryotic DNA. So option C is the right answer. Okay, second question, which of the following is a plasmid? So option B, PBr322, BMH1, SAL1, EcoR1. So here PBr322, that is a plasmid of Bolivar and Rodriguez. So both scientists who developed this plasmid. The remaining three, BMH1, SAL1, EcoR1, so they are the recognition sites, okay, in the plasmid of PBr322. Okay. Third question, which following is known as a specific molecular scissor? Ligase, helicase, restriction endonuclease, DNA polymerase. Here ligase is called as a molecular gum, so it's going to join, and helicase is unwinding, that is acts during a DNA replication. Restriction endonuclease, which is called as a molecular scissor because it's going to cut a DNA, so within a DNA at specific regions, hence it is called as a restriction molecular scissors. Fourth question, the first restriction endonuclease is reported by Hind2, EcoR1, Hind3 and BAMH1. Here Hind2, Haemophilus influenza, that is a second one, that is the first restriction endonuclease was reported. Fifth question, the restriction nucleases belongs to the larger class of enzymes which is called as ligases, kinases, nucleases, polymerases. And here, so they are belongs to the largest class of enzymes called as a nucleases. Nucleases, again it is divided into exonuclease, endonuclease. Exonuclease, exo, that is outside, going to cut the DNA outside. Endonuclease means it have a specific region, so where it going to cut the DNA. Sixth question, there is a restriction endonuclease called EcoR1. What eco part in the stand for? Here, that is a nomenclature. E stands for the Escherichia, Co stands for E. coli, R stands for the strain, and they are given one the number. Here, that is a Co, that is a stands for Co, that is a stands for the, that is a organism. Escherichia is the genus, coli is the species, R is a strain, and they given one numerical number. Okay, so that is option D is the right answer. Seventh question, restriction endonuclease Hind2 always cuts a DNA molecules at a particular point by recognition specific sequence. 6 base pairs, 5 base pairs, 4 base pairs, 7 base pairs. Restriction endonuclease Hind2 always cuts the DNA molecular at the 6 base pairs. It's going to cut the 6 base pairs. That is the right answer. Eighth question, the enzyme used for joining two DNA fragments is called, as earlier said, it is a molecular gum anta karitivi, that is none other than the ligase. Restriction endonuclease is a molecular scissor. DNA polymerase and kinases are the two enzymes. Which one of the following polydendric sequence in a DNA can be easily cut at about the middle by some particular restriction enzyme? So before going to the options, what is palindrome sequence? When you read left to right or right to left, it gives a same meaning, means the same words should be there, and that we called as a palindrome sequence in the ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here option C, look at here. So when you go from 5 direction to 3 direction, that is a GAA-TTC, and from if we come 5 direction to the 3 direction, that is a GAA-TTC. So this kind of sequence we called as a palindrome sequence anta ಕರೀತೀವಿ. The option is C is the right answer. Tenth question ನೋಡೋಣ. DNA fragments generated by the restriction endonuclease in chemical reaction can be separated by DNA fragments generated by the restriction endonuclease in chemical reactions separated by polymerase chain reaction, electrophoresis, restriction mapping, and centrifugation. Here the DNA fragments which are generated by the restriction endonuclease, on the basis of their size, here they get separated by the electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the way the DNA fragments were get separated based on their size. The larger DNA fragments which are present at the near to the wells, whereas the smaller DNA fragments which are away from the wells. Okay, so here agarose gel, agarose extracted from a seaweeds is used in 11th question. Spectrometry, tissue culture, PCR, and gel electrophoresis. Here agarose is a gel that is extracted from the seaweed that is used in a gel electrophoresis. Option 11th one, D is the right answer. Okay. 13th question. 13th question. In genetic engineering, the antibiotics are used as a selectable markers, selectable healthy vectors. It keep a culture for infection, sequence from where replication starts. And here the genetic engineering antibiotics are used for the as a selectable markers, because so these markers that helps in a means a selectable markers means that help in a extra means that helps in a so where easily recombinants or non-recombinants, so where joining of the DNA fragments along with the plasmid, so when it is joined, that we call as a recombinant, and when it doesn't join, that we call as a non-recombinant. Since it make a distinguish between recombinant and non-recombinant, hence they acts as a selectable markers. So that is the option A is the right answer. 13th, during a heat shock treatment, heat shock to the bacterium, the temperature used for giving thermal shock is 50 degrees Celsius, 100 degrees Celsius, liquid nitrogen 42 degrees Celsius. The answer is 42 degrees Celsius, where heat shock treatment given to the bacteria, and meanwhile it is going to take up the DNA into the organism by the bacteria. 14th question. Which one of the following enzyme is used in the case of fungus to cause the release of a DNA along with the other macromolecules? 14th question. Which of the following enzyme used for case fungus causes the release of a DNA along with the other macromolecules? Options: lysozyme, cellulase, chitinase, amylase. Lysozyme that is used in a bacteria, cellulase that is used in a plant. A chitinase is a enzyme, so that is means act upon a chitin that is present in a cell wall of a fungus. Hence the chitinase enzyme is used in a fungus to cause the release of a DNA from within the macromolecules. That is 14th question. 15th question. During isolation of DNA, the addition which of the following causes a precipitation and purified DNA? Chilled ethanol, ribonuclease enzyme, DNA polymerase, and protease. So during isolation, the addition of the following causes a precipitation of purified DNA is chilled ethanol. Soon after the extraction of DNA, so we're going to add a chilled ethanol, so that a thread-like structure that appears in the test tube. So So that is option A is the right answer. 16th question. Which of the following is a natural genetic engineer of a plant? Option A, yeast, agrobacterium tumefaciens, equally, and option D is the mycoplasma. So here in the plant, the natural genetic engineering acts as a, that is agrobacterium tumefaciens. Agrobacterium tumefaciens. If it is in the animals, that is the rhinovirus, which are going to acts as a this vehicle. Okay, so that is 17th question. Is a procedure dash is a procedure through which a piece of DNA introduced into the host bacterium. There is a transduction, transformation, conjugation, or RDT. 17th question. Here, the transformation is a process, that is where the piece of DNA introduced into the host bacterium. Option B is the right answer. 18th question gonna. Which one of the following used as a vector cloning genes into the higher organisms? Which one of the following is used as a vector in cloning genes into higher organisms? Bacala virus, Salmonella typhimurium, Rhizopus nigericans, and retroviruses. So here option retroviruses are the right answer. Sorry, I could say that that is rhinovirus antande. So actually it is a retrovirus. Rhinovirus antide ಕ್ಷಮೆ ಇರಲಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರೆ retrovirus. So retrovirus, that is used as a vector for cloning genes in the higher organisms, animals. 19th question. Which of the following is required for facilitate cloning into a vector? So ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರಬೇಕು, following requirement ಇರಬೇಕು? Origin of replication, selectable markers, cloning sites, and all of this. Of course, so it must be origin of replication, selectable markers ಇರಬೇಕು, and as well as the cloning sites. So they all must be present in a vector. Okay, 20th question ಬರೋಣ. In agarose gel electrophoresis, DNA migrates towards the negative electrode. Supercoiled plasmid migrates slower than their naked counterparts. Larger molecule migrate faster than the smaller molecule. This is option C. Option D ಬಂದು ethidium bromine can be used to visualize the DNA under, that is UV rays. So option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. Okay, 21st ಬರೋಣ. For a transformation with the recombinant DNA, the bacterial cell must first be made competent, which means should increase their metabolic reactions, should be decrease their metabolic reactions. They increase the efficiency which DNA enters the bacterium, ability to divide faster. Here, transformation with recombinant DNA bacterial cells competent means that is increase the efficiency with which DNA enters the bacterium. DNA enters the bacterium. DNA enters the bacterium. Okay. 22nd question. For a transformation, microparticles coated with the DNA to be bombarded with the gene gun are made up of. So silver or platinum or zinc, silicon or platinum, or gold or a tungsten. So here that is the answer is D. So gold or a tungsten, so that is coated with the that microparticles are coated with the gold or a tungsten, so that is associated with the DNA, and that bombarded with the gene gun, so that helps in the transformation of that DNA from organism to the bacterium. 23. The polymerase enzyme used in PCR is DNA polymerase first, Taq polymerase, reverse transcriptase, restriction, endonuclease. So option is B is the right answer. Taq polymerase. Thermus aquaticus is the organism where it is extracted the enzyme that called as a Taq polymerase. Okay. 24th question. The first step in PCR is denaturation, primer extension, annealing and cooling. So it is denaturation and that is followed by the annealing and later it is a primer extension. So that is option A is the right answer. Okay. 25th question. Which of the following process employed to check the progression of restriction enzyme digestion? So PCR, gene gun and microinjection, agarose gel, electrophoresis. So that is at restriction enzyme digestion, the progression is checked by the, that is agarose gel electrophoresis. 25th D. Okay. So that is the D is the right answer. Okay. 47th question. Which match the column 1 with the column 2? Select the correct answer. Code is given by. Choose the correct option there. Plasmid, AMP, TA plasmid, chitinase, and selectable markers, extra chromosomal DNA, enzyme, agrobacterium, tumefacients. So plasmid, that is extra chromosomal DNA, that is option A. Sorry, A to AMP, that is a selectable markers, ampicillin. TI, that is a plasmid, tumor inducing plasmid, agrobacterium, tumefacients. Chitinase is a enzyme. So option 47th Bandhu will be the B. Option will be 47th will be the B. Forty-eighth question. Choose match the following with column 1 and 2 and choose the correct option. Column 1 ಬರೋಣ. Recombinant DNA technology, cloning vehicles, macromolecular separation, DNA ligase. Here vector, sealing enzyme, electrophoresis, genetic engineering. So 48. So recombinant DNA technology, that is a genetic engineering. Cloning vehicles, so that is B. Correct. Cloning vehicles, that is acts as a vector. Macromolecular separation, that is electrophoresis, and DNA ligase is a sealing enzyme. 48 answer is C. Right answer is C. 49th question. Match the column 1 and 2, column 2, correct the options. Eco R1, so that is directly will go there. Eco R1, that is a hysterically. BMH1, and that is Bacillus amyloleucofaciens. Ind 3, that is Haemophilus influenzae. PBR22, that is artificial plasmid. 49th A is the right answer. Fiftieth question, last question. Match the column 1 and 2. Correct. Select the correct option or identify correct option. Restriction enzyme, transposons, bacteriophage, palindromes. Jumping genes, cloning vehicle, into 3, Malayalam. So here restriction enzyme is into 3. One minute. It is into 3. So A3. Transposons, so that is palindrome is correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Transposon is jumping. Bacteriophage is a cloning vehicle. Okay, so option, I think it is 50th alva. So option A is the right answer. C2, B1, A3 correct ಆಗಿದೆ. Option A is the right answer. So hope you have enjoyed this session. I'm very thankful to you. Please go through the remaining questions. If you have any doubts, please let me know. Okay, thank you so much.